Did you ever wonder how marketers build product awareness, create product interest, provide product information to consumers, and stimulate product demand? This fourth lesson in our unit on the marketing mix is going to help us answer those questions.
Before we can produce our direct mail postcard, first we're going to have to generate some content. I want you to log into Office 365, and on the OneDrive, I've created a document called Direct Marketing Planner. Open this document. You're going to need to be able to edit the document before you can share it back to me when it's complete. So select Edit Document, and this is pretty basic, so you can edit right in the browser. As always, for any of my projects, I would like you to put your name at the top. We're going to be using the business that we've been following since the beginning of the semester. I want you to take a look at that business, and I would like you to find a product or a service that is offered by that business that we are going to use for our promotion. Remember, you're trying to encourage the recipient of the direct mail to buy the product or services. So after your name, you're going to enter the name of the company or business that is being promoted and enter in the product or service name. The next step is to identify 3 positive qualities of the product. These qualities are things that are going to make somebody want to buy the product or service. When you've identified the 3 positive qualities of the product, I next want you to write a paragraph that describes or explains why the target market should want or buy the product or service. Keep in mind, the target market are those people that your business would consider existing or potential customers. You want to think about the age, the gender, the socioeconomic background of these customers when you are writing about your target market. And lastly, I want you to explain how to buy the product or service. We're going to use this outline to generate the content, the copy, for our direct mail postcard. When you have finished, save a copy to your drive and share your finished direct marketing planner with
As part of the marketing mix, promotion includes all activities that involve communicating with the customer about the product and its benefits and features. Once a company has worked on the product and price elements, it is time to start a conversation with the consumer about the product. This includes raising awareness through different mediums to increase sales, as well as to create and foster brand loyalty. Information provided to the customer at this stage helps them in making purchase decisions regarding the product. Often there is a substantial cost associated with promotional activities, but since the result is often an increase in sales or customer loyalty, there is thought to be a long-term return on this investment. There are many ends that a company may try to reach through a promotion, including but not limited to an increase in sales, acceptance of new products, brand equity creation and brand positioning, addressing competitor actions, and rebranding. In this lesson, we will look at the role of promotion in the marketing mix. The next step in our project is going to be to create our direct mail postcard. Our document is going to have 2 pages. Page 1, we're going to call the front, is going to have the images that show our product or service, and page 2, or the back, is going to have the text and information about the product. When creating the front side, it is important to remember to use visually appealing images for the product or service. We're going to have a feature image in the background and 2 or 3 additional images showing different angles or colors of the product or different people using our service. The back of our postcard is going to contain text and information that we developed in our direct mail outline, as well as the mailing information, including the indicia. To complete this project, you're going to need a new blank document, the previously completed direct mail outline, the previously completed featureimage.jpg, 2 to 3 additional images of different angles and colors of your product, and the file indicia.jpg.
Created using Powtoon.
Remember, there are 4 deliverables for this project. You should have completed the direct mail analysis worksheet, the direct mail planning worksheet. You should have finished your direct mail postcard example, and don't forget to include your peer review of another student's work. When all of these are finished, you can log into the portal and upload them into the class folder in the cloud, or you can share them with me.